Good morning, everyone. This is Fist to Your Doom, here for week 6 of PWC, up against Tamas. Just subbed in for this week. Not sure if he's uploading or anything like that, but hoping for a good game. We do have a plethora of choice items this week. It was just super free looking into this matchup, and defensively, I don't really check much of anything, so might as well go balls to the walls offensive. Nothing wrong with that. Looking like leading Torn's probably my best bet. I see probably either Meow or Slither, maybe even that Pterodon fan could be the lead. So I'm gonna just lock in on here. It's looking pretty free to click buttons with Quack this game. Looking pretty free to click buttons with pretty much everybody this game. It's kind of hard to lock in with the Valiant, with the Moltres on there, but as soon as Moltres is dealt with, we go kind of ham. Biggest worry right now is I don't really know what Terra type that Donphan's going to be, and I'm also really messed up by that Excalibur if Kaparaja gets chipped down. Very surprised he didn't come with any of his normal types here, though. Okay, so we do see the Donphan. Is he... let's see. Torn 50 against offensive Donphan. How much does Ice Spinner do? Ice Spinner doesn't kill unless he's Terra Ice. So I mean, part of me really just wants to click the choiced flying move here, or I could just play it safe and U-turn to break the sturdy. Probably makes a lot more sense to click U-turn. Quack pivots in offensively on most of the Terra types you'd want to go for here. Let's go for it. Fuck it. Man, he didn't even Terra. Ah, that hurts. That really hurts. Let's get in Quackwivel. Choice band on this guy too. Get some big damage off on something. Probably just sets rocks, right? No, he goes for the Ice Spinner. Okay. 169 down to 146. So that is not an offensive Donphan. Yeah, 23, that's a mid-roll on no attack. He does show that he's got the lefties. Maybe this thing's here to try and help check Quackwivel then, because Quack does look super free into this team right now. But I'm just gonna click. How much does Bandit Flip do? Yeah, I mean, it almost kills this on max HP. Aqua Step would kill for sure, but I'm gonna not just sack my Quack. Man, he stays in, and we just kill it. It wasn't max HP. Huh. Interesting. I wonder what the set on that was. Either way, we flip on out of there. Let's not invite in the backs. Let's go Valiant. Let's see, what do you want to bring in on Val? I assume Moltres, right? Shadow? It's Gengar. So it's Scarf Gengar. Either Scarf or Sash, either way, we go straight into Mr. Tingus Bingus here. It's a very easy switch for me. Let's see, how does that play out for us? Does he go for a trick? Goes for a Sludge Bomb. Does 37 to Ting-Lu. Let's see, Ting-Lu against Gengar. Nope, that is an almost any ability set. I don't want to look at that. Let's see. So, Sludge Bomb against Ting-Lu, doing 37. That's a mid-roll. Looking Scarf, yeah, Looking Scarf. Do we set a spike? I think we set a spike. Yeah, we get a lot of value out of a spike. Let's go for it. Probably goes into the Slither Wing here, and I don't really have a way to punish it. The Galar Champion. Oh, Moltres. Let's see. What does Moltres want to go for here? Getting this thing out of the way would be absolutely massive for me. Let's drop a little Rock Tome. Goes for the Fire Blast. 193 down to 115. He gets the burn. Oh, that fucking sucks. Oh, that would have killed. That's so bad. Man. Let's calc the damage at least. Offensive. Fire Blast. Level 50. Yeah, that's just an offensive molt. Another burn turn. He's got a good chance of killing me. Goes for the U-turn, so he pops my policy. At least we'll do a little bit more damage here. Probably gonna go into the Slither if I were to guess. No sense in keeping this thing alive. Getting that chip down is very good for us, though. Very, very good for us. What do we see come out here? We got backs. I'm perfectly fine with seeing backs. We do see that he does not have boots. We drop the speed. We're gonna go for another Rock Tome in case he tries to set up on me. But he should just go for the kill. What? We're faster? What? What just happened? Hold on. Oh my god, he was no speed. Oh my god. That's hilarious. I don't even know what to say to that. Ah, Ting-Lu OP. Ting-Lu OP. Does he hit the play rough? He does not. Oh my god. Oh my god, Ting-Lu putting in the finest of work. Oh, I feel so bad. That's awful. Man, this is looking like an Aqua Step endgame. Just gotta get that guy in. Let's just click Throat Chop. He does hit this time. Meow gets a kill. Let's see. How much does Quackleval take from Meowscarada? 252. Flower Trick. No grass type. Does 88 max. That is 290. I'm counting at level 50. Does 152 max. Can't risk it. On forward. We are fine with giving up health on Yanmega though. We got the Bugwinter Fist. Any reason not to be? Straight buzzing. bug buzz. We let the molt come in and roost. We're gonna get forced out after this anyways. Let's click Ancient Power. Oh, I forgot to click Terra. Yeah, if he had Power Gem, that would have been bad. But he didn't, so it's okay. We get the boost just to rub it in. We're forced out by Gengar anyways, it doesn't make a difference. That is tragic. That is honestly just rubbing it in. I am so sorry about the cheese, man. I'm a bird. Oh, wait, why did he go into this? Okay. I'll give Yanmega another kill. I'm fine with that. Do we get another boost? We don't get another boost. No comedy show today. The ancient moth is here. We see he does have the photosynthesis. Gets the attack boost. I don't think he clicks anything that Oko's Valiant here, so we'll go straight into him. What do you got for good old Jack? His wild charge. Ooh, that actually did nothing. Wow. Valiant acting like a bulky little fella here. Click that Specs Moonblast. He switches, no big deal. How much does this do? Probably like half, right? Yeah, just about half. Special attack drop, man. Just nothing going right in this game. Oh, he's not Scarf. Huh. Well, that didn't matter then. We'll just keep blasting. And we get disabled. Never mind, I will not keep blasting. Right. We get Mr. Moth back in. Let's go Mr. Torn, right? Yeah, we'll go Torn. Now we play a little game that I like to call Do We Miss and Lose Differential? We don't. That is a GG to Tamas. Apologies again about all the unfortunate bullshit in that game. Ugh, just not a good way to get brought into the league. But that is unfortunately just the game we play. We play a stupid baby game that has stupid baby hacks. If you stuck around to the end of the video, make sure to drop a like. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week for another game. Peace out.